Look up, look up, look up. All right.
Hey everybody, it's Dr. Howell here at Atlanta's Mobile Chiropractor. I am here with Brandon and Francis. They have history of chiropractic care in the past. They just haven't been able to go. So being mobile has been very convenient for them. We're going to be treating both of them today, so just stick around and watch. Mine just tells me what I'm going to do that day. Okay, he'll come to me, he's like, Mom, pool? Pool? Like it's raining outside. He's like, no, it's not. No, it's not. He'll go straight to the window. Nuh-uh. I was like, we can't go anywhere because we have to be there for the birthdays of everybody else that came to his birthday. Right. And one of the kids actually go to the same school, so I was able to kind of see, and she's been going there consistently for about a year now. An activator, it sounds like this.
Okay.
It feels like that.
Okay.
All right. We're gonna work on your lower back, that area that's giving you that sciatic pain. So with a straight leg, don't bend your knee. If you could, lift this leg up off the table. Good. All right, down, and then the other leg. Was one more difficult than the other?
No.
About even?
Yeah.
Good. This leg up first, and then the other one. Better, worse, or about the same as before?
I think it's about the same, but I think I can get my right leg up further than left.
A little bit more range of motion?
Yeah.
Yep, definitely. So what do you do for a living?
I am a information security engineer. I work for a company called Deloitte, and I contract with the Navy. And, I've been working with them for about a year now. Kind of learned to cope with it.
Let me see. You don't have to do that no more. Pull the shoulder up from the knee. Good. Give yourself a soft tug. Soft, soft, soft. Give me this knee. You're going to bring this knee up and let it fall. That one was for free. All right. Are you familiar with what we're going to do now? All right, so you're going to look that way. Lean back for me. That's it. You're going to take a deep breath in. All the way up. Let it go. Beautiful. Look out. All right, you're going to lean back that way. Deep breath in. All the way out. There we go. Lay on your stomach. Let's see what we got. Touching the ceiling. All right. Deep breath in for me. All the way up. Let it go. Drop that left ear. Just like that. Beautiful. And you're gonna sit up. 1, 2, 3, up. You're gonna face the mirror. So this area, we're about to work on this right here. I noticed that you're a guitar player.
Yeah.
Computers.
Street Fighter, probably.
You didn't expect me to ask, huh? I gotta say it. I gotta say it. And you can't lie, because she's gonna be like, nuh-uh. Interlace your fingers behind your head. My arms are gonna come through here, okay? And then when I ask you to, you're just gonna lean back on me. All right, fall. Just relax. Good stretch. Deep breath in. All the way out. One more time, deep breath in. And out. Look up, look up, look up. All right, lay on your back.
Okay.
How listening?
I'm glad you said it before I did.
All right, when I ask you to, you're just gonna let it fall towards me, okay?
Okay.
All right, let it fall. Good. Some people hear a pop, some people hear a whooshing sound. You watching all this? All right, let it fall. There we go.
I don't like the feeling afterwards. Like, you know, you feel good when you first have a massage.
But it doesn't stay.
Right.
We'll talk about that too. Hey, how are you? Say what?
She said you're a pretty look.
Oh, well, thank you. Relax your feet. Let it go. Let it go. You pop your fingers, don't you?
Yeah.
Get your shoulders. Drop your elbow. Good. You're going to want to sit up for me. 1, 2, 3. Face your elbow right here. It's going to fit in my elbow, okay?
Okay.
Oh, he's so right.
Oh, no, that's the dog.
Oh. Keep it right there. I'm going to come forward. Just give me a little resistance. Keep it right there, okay? 1, 2, 3, hold. One more time, bring it back. 1, 2, 3, hold. Good. Same thing with this one. Put a pin. All right. 1, 2, 3, hold. Good. Lay on your back for me. I would like your shoulder blade to be right there, so you'll have to scoot down just a little bit.
So, right here?
All right, my hand is going to go up underneath your shoulder blade at the back. So just roll a little bit. A little bit more. Good, right there. Let this hand fall by your ear. Perfect. Just relax. My hand's going to go right here, and then we're just going to push and adjust your shoulder.
Your shoulder feels better?
My shoulder is still sore, but my movement feels better. I'm not like
Try moving your shoulder around. A little bit more range of motion.
Yeah, a lot more range of motion actually. I was stiff earlier.
Good.